I'm Danny Winder. I'm the Bixler-Johnson-Mayes Endowed Chair in the Department of Molecular Physiology and Biophysics and in Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences and Pharmacology. And I'm the founding director of the Vanderbilt Center for Addiction Research. I was attracted to Vanderbilt when I was considering places to set up my lab by the incredible reputation Vanderbilt had for basic science research and the opportunity and interest in moving that basic science research towards the clinic. And was also attracted to Vanderbilt by the highly collegial nature of all of the faculty here. I've always been interested in long-term changes in behavior, in learning and memory. So how is it that we can remember things that we experienced decades ago in our life? And increasingly, neuroscience has realized that the forms of plasticity in brain circuits that are involved in classical forms of learning and memory also are likely to be involved in pathological forms of learning and memory like addiction. So in addiction, we learn to associate drug use with specific cues and contexts and re-exposure to drug paraphernalia. And so much of our work focuses where we use electrophysiological and fluorescent recording approaches to be able to track the activity of individual neurons either in an ex vivo slice preparation or in vivo while an animal behaves. And that, we work on a model of chronic alcohol ingestion in female mice where they are allowed access to alcohol in their home cage for a long period of time. If we then replaced the alcohol bottle with a water bottle, we saw the emergence of an affective phenotype in these animals. And so what I mean is that by a variety of different simple behavioral tests, from what we could see, the animals exhibited higher levels of anxiety and depression, or these are depression-like behaviors. We have to infer this because we can't ask the animal how they feel. And with that comes the ability to then perturb that system and ask how can we intervene in this process, and ultimately ask whether that then has efficacy in treating alcoholism. Basic science is key to our ability to perform addiction research. The rapidly evolving field of technology development in the basic sciences has been key as we explore new neural circuits and their involvement in addiction-related behavior, and then will also be key as we move to take the next step to, having identified these targets, now move forward to try to develop new ligands to try to treat the problem of addiction. I'm excited to see people interested in working in these fields and think that they really need to follow what gets them excited. Then I encourage them to stick it out, because this job is hard, but I think all jobs are hard. And to develop mastery and success requires just sticking it out and taking our lumps as we go along and keep sticking with it.